Hi class, today I'm going to be bowling with our art bowling pins that we made earlier, and I'm going to be showing you the right way to set up your pins. So this is the way that we would set them up, and if you want to keep score, bowling has 10 innings. You can keep track on a separate piece of paper. You could do this activity with a family member or a friend. Or you could also do it on your own just to get better practice. So what you're going to do is you could take 2 large steps backward from your setup, and then if you want more of a challenge, you could fill your water bottles up with water. Make sure that you're performing this in a safe space where you have a lot of space and it's not going to be knocking down any furniture or anything. It's probably better to do this outside. And the kind of ball you want, like a sort of small ball. I have a rubber ball. You can use a different texture however you would like. You don't need anything like hard, because you don't want to crush your water bottles. Now I'm going to be rolling it and not throwing it because of the weight of the water bottles is a lot lighter than the actual pins. So every time, unless you have a strike, you're going to take 2 turns. And then however many pins that are left up, that's the amount of pins that you're going to try to knock down the next time. And then it will be the next person's turn unless you're playing alone. So I'm going to go ahead and roll. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to move these out of the way. Then I get a second turn. And I'm going to make sure that I'm still the same distance. I left my paper there to let me know. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my second turn. Hopefully I can get these. I'm going to try to go for the middle. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I almost got that one down. So I have knocked down 8 pins. So at this point, if I was playing with another player, they would set up and it would be their turn. But since I'm not, I could just keep going until the 10th inning if I wish to. So this is how the game goes. I hope you enjoy it. Remember that if you knock down all 10, that's a strike. And then if in 2 turns you knock down 10, that's a spare.